Hi, my name is Ana Cruz Perez. I am from Chahuite. I am a student of the Technology of the Istmo on the 5th semester. And this video is about a recipe.
Ingredients: I cut the flour and egg, highly cooked milk, 45 grams of butter, a tablespoon of vanilla. Put the flour in a container. Add half a cup of milk and beat. An egg is added. And beat again. There it is. Add the tablespoon of vanilla and it continues to beat. It is in your some of butter in the pan. To finish, get some dot in the pan. Twist again. It is expected to be cooked. Now that's hard to eat. Delicious. Thanks for the visit. Pleasant.